Hello students, welcome to Saturday session. This is our new topic, home and abroad. In Jill's house, Arvind uncle and his family were coming back after 5 years. We have discussed in our last point. After the plane is landing, Jill, Hansi and Paul is discussing about Abu Dhabi's sandy area that we have discussed in our first lecture. Now let us continue from page number 184, more paragraph. In last session we have discussed that the sand was a color of yellow, red, black and brown, and mountains are made of sand. They are called sand dunes. Then Jill is explaining that she has seen sand only at the seashore. Then you should come and visit to us. Arvind Bhai explained that the countries around Abu Dhabi are located in a desert area. Even if one drives a little away from the city, one can see the miles and miles of sand. No trees, no greenery, just sand. I used to dream of think greenery and cool water around our home in Gujarat, said Nita Auntie. I am so happy to see all this after such a long time. The children have almost forgotten how they feel when it rains. You should know it almost never rain in the desert area, and water is really very precious there. Dear students, here the point is that in sandy area they have a value of water because water is not available very easily there. Even for drinking water also we have to pay there. There is a lot of oil under the sandy soil, so petrol is easily available. In fact, petrol is cheaper than water. Arvind uncle explained that. Here you know that nowadays we have a petrol hike. Petrol prices are higher and higher, but water is not higher. Water is available freely. So we people are used very sparingly sometime, and sometime we have a lot of water, sometime we have a scarcity of water. By this time they reached Jill's house. Hansi and Paul were surprised to see many fruit trees, coconut, bananas, jackfruit, papaya, betel nut, so many kind of trees. Paul said, we used to see only one kind of tree there, and they are date palms. Dear students, in the desert area we can see only date palms because it is the only one that it can grow in the desert. Nothing else is growing there. So one that can be grown in the desert is only date palm trees. After they had met everyone, Nita Auntie unpacked their bags. They had brought gift for everyone. They gave dates for everyone to eat. The dates were very sweet and tasty. Pearl showed Jill some currency notes and coins. Dear students, we are collecting many currency notes, coins of different countries. Hansi explained that the money that used in Abu Dhabi is called dirham. One dirhams approximately cost is here for 17 rupees, 17. Now at current price. It had some writing in their money they used in local Arabic language. They also showed many photographs of the place where they lived. Arvind uncle gave Jill a globe and he said, Jill, why don't you find Abu Dhabi on this globe? And where is Gujarat? The children enjoyed playing with the globe and looking different places of the globe. Jill found Delhi and Junagadh also. In the evening, everyone sat in veranda enjoying the breeze and looking the photographs. They saw that Abu Dhabi's buildings were tall with many stories and big glass windows. Jill said, "You must be getting nice cool breeze through these big windows." Arvind uncle said, "We cannot open the windows because of heat. It is air conditioned in all over the houses." Dear students, that temperature is very high. That is why air conditioner is used everywhere. In our next topic, we shall continue from 186 pages, and afterwards we will discuss about the revision for our unit test 4. Thank you.